This is a pendulum to make a flip stick land on right side up. I'm using dental floss to come down here, and I'm pulling back a stick up against this, and I got a mark right there. So I just did it 2 times in a row. Let's see if it does it 3 times. So I got to get that corner correct. And I got the right side. Get this, I wanted to see the green. Everything seemed to make a difference. And my stick is wobbly, which is probably the biggest source of problems. But I get the line marked up on that corner, and I let go. Okay, that time didn't work. Let's try again. Okay,